When you're traveling with friends or family, everyone might want to enjoy movies, music, or shows, even from the back seats of the vehicle. In today's video, we'll show you how to connect a headrest monitor to your MP5 player, so everyone can join in the fun. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay with SetNFix. Here we have both headrest monitors. I'll use one to demonstrate in detail. If you take a look at the display, it's a 7-inch LCD screen with several buttons for operation. The layout might vary between devices, but on this model, you'll see 7 buttons: power, source, mode, system, decrease, menu, and increase. The settings are straightforward, but I'll walk you through them later. Since this is a headrest unit, you can adjust the angle like this for a comfortable view. When you install it, you'll receive a power cable. This is the power cable. Here, you have a 12-volt power wire, a video line 2 input connector, a video line 1 connector, and the black wire for grounding. I'll go ahead and connect this power cable to the monitor like so. Today, my plan is to connect these monitors to an MP5 player. I've already made a separate video about the MP5 player on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out for more details. Now, if you look at the back of the MP5 player, you'll see several connectors. There's audio left out, audio right out, video line 1 in, video line 2 in, a video signal input, and a connection for the reverse camera. Since this device has 2 video out connectors, you can easily connect both headrest monitors like this. However, if you have an Android device like this one, the setup is a bit different. On most Android car stereos, you'll find a wiring harness with only one video output. In this case, you can use a splitter, like this, to connect both headrest monitors at once. Now, as you can see, connecting your headrest monitors is easy, whether your car stereo has one video output or 2. Today, I'll be testing this setup with my MP5 player, which has 2 video outputs. So, let's go ahead and connect it. If you've connected the wires correctly, the device will power on and display visuals on both headrest monitors. You can see it in action here. As I mentioned earlier, you can adjust the display settings using the buttons on the monitor for a customized experience. You may have noticed that there are 2 video inputs on the headrest monitor. So, what can we do with that second video input cable? Well, you can actually connect another video source to this monitor. To test this out, I'll connect a reverse camera to that second video input. When you power it on, the camera feed won't show up automatically, you'll need to switch the video source. By changing the source from AV1 to AV2, you'll see the visuals from the connected reverse camera. So, if needed, you can make use of that second video input as well. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your headrest monitors to an MP5 player or Android car stereo, and even use a reverse camera as a secondary video source. This setup lets everyone in the car enjoy entertainment on the go, with flexibility for additional video inputs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos. Be innovative, stay with SetNFix.